So, why it is so important to do due diligence and check for all proper due diligence. Hello, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So, I want to make a quick video here as I'm going through some of the deals. Some of the deals my employees are bringing me in, and this specific one came from Craigslist. Still a very well used site. You have to be careful, spam, scam kind of thing. But there are deals and there are opportunities. Now, y'all know my favorite are off market, but I'll still check these out. But here's what caught my attention immediately on this one here. It's a decent deal. It's a 97, and I'm limited on what I give out. Okay, this is 97 a single wide mobile home. They're only asking 7,900. So far, so good. They put their number. They put where it's located from, obviously, and to build this 97 model. It's 1,280 square foot. That's not how you measure mobile homes, by the way. Mobile homes are measured by width and length. So it would be like a 14 by 70 or 14 by 80, 16 by 80, and then double wides. Not the extra square footage, but okay, we'll go with that. So, but immediately, I don't see anything on here about a title. Now, notice we specialize in titles, bonded titles. We're doing a lot more on that and coaching even more people on it. So immediately I ask, all right, well, is there a title? Before I even negotiate. And the response was more so, no, no, there's no title, and no, you cannot get one. So I'm thinking, okay, well, maybe they don't know we specialize in that. So I asked, why can you not get the titles? We actually specialize in bond titles, title replacements, title, all the above. And their response was, because there is a 25K lien on it from the previous owner who is deceased. Two problems with that. Two big problems with that, okay? You cannot get a title on a mobile home that has a lien on it, obviously, because the lien has to be first paid in full, and then they'll release the title. So there is a title somewhere, it just happens to have liens on it. They mentioned they'll sell with the bill of sale only, but don't forget, if it has to be moved, you will take it into a new county or even same county, and when you go to register it, you cannot, because it's the first thing that will show up. So therefore, if you were to buy this mobile home here with that lien on it, with the bill of sale, even though that bill of sale is showing you as owner, it is you who now owns that 25,000 lien. If you want to get a title, if you want to register it, guys and gals, this is exactly why I say you have to be extra careful. Part of the due diligence is not just on the mobile home. Does it check out? How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms? How's the roof? How's the floor? All that is great stuff. That is the physical of. But you got to get into really deep dive into the paperwork, the documents, and the legality. This one here would be a slam wrong, if you will. You buy this for even 7,900, which that's not a bad deal for a 97 model. But when you add 25K lien and troubles and issues, and that's not what you want to get into. I don't pass up on mobile home deals, but this one is not a deal. So I would say be careful, be extra careful when it comes to documents and legality side of it. Reach out to us. We can walk you through on a purchase, on a sale, on how to create notes, how to finance, any and everything that has to do with mobile home investing. Due diligence is super important. Thank you for watching. Make sure you visit GarciaMHU.com.